hang on. This is part 2, part 3. Anyways, let's open this up. Got the utensils, spoon. Also, we can see. Also, we got a fork. Anyways, I'm going to clean this. We're back. The spoon is wet.
Aling kat binali ya printed. Ya tala sa taha dyan niya papain ni. Bluetooth mo ang cellphone ni. Ini dahil pinali.
This is, you can see it clearly. Let's go clean up. Let's go clean the fork.
Para yan ang pa-print ba ano?
A printer?
Printer.
Taka ba?
Ya taha. Tanda ko siya maano, masyapi o. Ngani taha po niya. Tapos may bluetooth at niya maano.
Kasama na yun.
Wala na siya ink. Pinagpatamnaan natin niya ink.
The fork is wet. You can see it. It's confirmed.
You did not eat until when you finish. Until tomorrow.
I'm gonna deck your chicken. No, you're not. Going to take my chicken. No! 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 Okay, anyways. Here it is. This is where you put it. And also, you can slice with this. Chicken nuggets. And also with sauce. And buko and
Kung mga
carrots.
ganilo ra
And
kay sunna,
and
doon
vegetables.
naglabi na nakadata. Aro kay madata inulog ng batan siya kailangan
Go
ka
check
na
out the link.
organize.
In the bio. Anyways, Jane, up here you go. The lunchbox.
Alhamdulillah.
And this is mine. Anyways.
Where's the knife on here? Where is the knife?
Got some content. This is a small bonus.
Alam tumbler ya.
Anyway.
Stainless steel. Anong pansit to magalang tumbler. Yeah. Oh yeah, ini tumbler. Tangkop na po eh. Nakoylo dyan ah, kaya maunan mo. Hello.
My mom is eating mango.
Mm.
Anyways, guys, bye-bye.